सदृशम पवित्रमिह विदधते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, इस श्लोक में ज्ञान के समान पवित्र करने वाला कुछ भी नहीं है। In common words, there is nothing in this world so purifying as knowledge.
Every year, India celebrates National Education Day on November 11. This day commemorates birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. He was the first Union Education Minister of India. He was a freedom fighter, scholar and eminent educationist and a key architect of independent India.
Very warm good morning to all my teachers and my colleagues. National Education Day is celebrated on November 11, which is also the birthday of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was the first education minister of independent India. The day is celebrated on his birthday as a mark of respect to his exemplary contribution in the field of education. On this day, education institutes holds seminars and various other competition to spread the importance of literacy. The day tells us how important is education to build a nation. An educated India can only help India in its overall development, whether it's scientific, technical or human development. Education can build a character of a man and thus build a character of nation. India has made a huge progress in the field of education. We have IITs, IIMs and AIIMS. We have world-class education institute for management and social science. In the end, I would like to say education is the real wealth. It has made a man and built a nation. We should work together to make India the most educated and learned nation in the world. Thank you.
The day is remembered for the contribution of Abul Kalam in laying the foundation of education system in an independent India. The need for education arose in India due to lack of basic education like morality and unityness among the people.
Oh, hi!
You after so long.
Because of this pandemic, we were not able to see each other.
Yeah, and today is 11th November. You know, today is National Education Day.
And Shreya, every year since 2008, November 11 is celebrated as Education Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Abul Kalam Azad.
Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was also a great freedom fighter, eminent educationist and the first education minister of India.
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आँखें खोलो, हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो। शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आँखें खोलो, हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो। जो नहीं पढ़ सकता उसके सामने जैसे अंधेरा है, जो नहीं
प्रहरति कारिणी न मनोरथे न हि सुप्तस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा। अर्थ है जिस प्रकार सोते हुए सिंह के मुंह में मृग स्वयं प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता, उसी प्रकार इच्छा करने से सफलता प्राप्त नहीं होती है। अपने कार्य को सिद्ध करने के लिए मेहनत भी करनी पड़ती है। Simple words. Have you ever heard a deer coming or entering the mouth of a lion while he is sleeping? In that case, why we are led to believe that we can achieve success merely by thinking of it or coveting it? One can achieve success only by working hard and through dedication. We sum up the day by learning the various points of why education is important and how to inculcate the values we get to know each day.